I'm 18 years old and my incisor teeth are broken. Can my teeth grow again? If not, what are the alternatives? So if you're 18 years old and if your incisors are broken and those are your permanent teeth and they are not going to grow at all, period, zero. So your only options are at that point, the first thing, even before thinking of the option, you don't want to leave a broken tooth there. So if you are going to have the broken teeth left over, you're going to get infection and you're going to have pain and you're going to have swelling and you are going to go through that misery of leaving that broken tooth in the mouth. The least that you want to do is to remove the tooth and preferably get a bone grafting because you don't want to end up losing the bone. So that's the option, at least to get you out of pain. So after you remove the tooth, what are the options you have? Of course, you can do nothing, but you don't want to be going around with a snaggled tooth and end up having a missing tooth, not being to smile. So you want to have some kind of a tooth replacement. So the options that you have now are having what we call it as a flipper or like a partial denture that goes in and out. And again, this is not the best option. And then one of the other options that we have is what we call it as a dental bridge, which is grinding the two teeth on either side. So particularly if you have both incisors broken, now you don't want to grind the two teeth on either side and then end up having a 4-unit bridge. That is not going to be a good situation because now you're going to end up having 2 teeth do the job of 4 teeth, particularly those 2 incisors on the side are going to be smaller, and now down the line in about 3 to 5 years you're going to end up having problems with all 4 teeth and you're going to end up having all 4 teeth, you're going to end up losing all 4 teeth. So the best option would be to replace them with what we call as the dental implants. So for all practical purposes, you put two posts on the teeth in the bone, and then you end up putting 2 crowns on them, just like you see here. So you end up putting 2 posts on there, and then you put 2 teeth, and then you're done. So dental implants will be the best option to answer your question. So you definitely need to have the teeth removed. Your teeth are not going to grow. The options that you have are a partial or a flipper or a dental bridge or dental implants.